Alright, nandito na naman tayo mga kaibigan. Filipino Reaction, nag-reaction video na naman dito sa update ng kay Alice Go or Mayor ng Banban Tarlac na ito na nga, marami pa rin hanggang ngayon ang nagtatanong kung sino ba talaga si Alice Go, Filipino ba talaga or Chinese. Okay, ito na ang mga nagte-trending ngayon. PH Senador Sherwin Gatchalian on Banban Tarlac Mayor Identity Pugo Prove mula kay Karen. Okay.
All right, joining us now on Hot Copy, we have with us Senator Sherwin Gatchalian. Senator Gatchalian, good morning to you.
Good morning, Karen. Good morning to our televiewers.
All right, now what
Ginang Karen. Ayan.
transpired in the hearing was alarming on so many levels. So I'll start first with this.
Okay mga kaibigan, medyo speaking dollars muna tayo ngayon, ha?
Is Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo, is she a Filipino citizen? Taga saan po ba siya talaga?
She is Filipino citizen. Taga saan ba talaga siya? Taga Tarlac nga. Ako na sasagot.
Well, Karen, there are a lot of inconsistencies. In fact, I took a look at the documents again yesterday. And in her birth certificate,
Yan.
she declared, or somebody declared, that her father is Filipino. And
Father Filipino, mali ka naman. Chinese.
she declared, or somebody declared, that her father is Filipino.
Dineclare niya. Inulit ko lang. Okay, dineclare daw niya ni Filipino, pero Chinese.
And her mother is Filipino. But in the corporate papers that we saw, because they own various companies in which the father is also one of the incorporators, the father's citizenship there is Chinese. So there's inconsistency between the birth certificate and also the incorporation papers. As to the mother, Mayor Guo mentioned in the hearing that she doesn't know her mother. She, in fact, has no idea who her mother is.
Oo nga. Okay. Yan nga mga kaibigan ang malaking big question. Kung sino ba talaga ang nanay ni Alice Go. Kasi nga parang iniwan yata ito nung bata pa or inilayo siguro ng ama. O may possible na gano'n ang mga nangyayari sa kanyang buhay. Kaya itong si Alice Go ay hindi may paliwanag kung sino ang nanay. Pero ayon sa kanya, ay Pinay nga daw. Okay? Pinay at ipinanganak daw siya sa bahay lang doon sa Tarlac. Pero ito na nga, si Senador Sherwin Gatchalian ay nagsasalita at nagpapaliwanag ngayon. Okay? Sa pagkatao ni Alice Go.
And so we're still locating documents pertaining to the mother, whether the mother is Filipino or Chinese. But to this point, she's non-existent because we don't know where she is. And
Ito mga kaibigan, naulit ko Filipino reaction video lang tayo, per review, per reaction, per na pair. Okay, ito na. Continue pa.
and Mayor Guo, the daughter, doesn't even know where she is as well.
Okay,
Alam na namin yan.
but basic questions that you both asked is, for example, where were you born? Where did you live? Where did she study?
Yun.
If you're born in a certain country and you've lived in a certain country, you clearly have history, right?
Ayun na nga mga kaibigan, ang tanong dito. Halimbawa lang halimbawa nga ito si Alice Go ay ipinanganak nga sa Pilipinas. Okay? Kaya lang wala siyang birth certificate o late na siya. Tapos ang nanay niya hindi maalam. At tapos yung nag-aral siya elementary hanggang high school sa bahay lang. Okay? Pero ipinanganak siya sa Pilipinas. Ay ano ang sa tingin ko? Sa tingin ko 50-50 kasi nga Chinese Pilipina. Okay? Bahala na kayo na sasagot, okay? Pero dito lang tayo sa interview. Okay, continue lang.
So
Correct.
what's been established, Senator Sherwin?
Well,
Where did
basically,
you study grade school, for example?
as far as her youth is concerned, it's quite vague because she was born. She's born through a midwife or through a informal way, not in the hospital. I think she was born at home. That's what.
Pero possible din mga kaibigan Excuse me po. Excuse me. Okay, possible din na itong si Alice Go ay ipinanganak sa China. Okay? Sa China na talagang sa Pilipinas wala siyang record. Late na. Okay? Possible din yun. Na si Alice Go ay Chinese nga. Duda ko, ako tatanungin si Alice Go ay Chinese. Kasi tatay Chinese eh. Possible din na yun na nga. Sa China ito pinanganak. Ano lang. Siguro maliit pa ito, pinanganak sa China, dinala sa Pilipinas. Kaya nag-influence sa Tagalog. Ganon, ganyan. Okay, continue lang.
Her declaration is she's homeschooled for basic education, meaning elementary and high school. And she also said that she didn't go to college. So that part of her life is actually missing, or according to her, she lived in her farm, and that's where she grew up a big chunk of her life. And then she went on narrating that she is her business, or her family business is into piggery and into farming. And then at one point it became pogos, because she also admitted that she met people in Clark, and then she entered into a partnership with them. And this partnership became what we call the Baofu Land Development, which developed basically the 10-hectare CBD in Bamban.
May naisip lang ako. Naisip ko lang yung ibang Chinese sa Pilipinas, yung mga walang ano. Siyempre, pinanganak sa Pilipinas, yung mga katulad din nito. Sigurado ngayon, paspasa na kumuha ng birth certificate sa Chinese, oh. Oo. Daming Chinese sa Pilipinas, mga kaibigan, ha? Na pinanganak doon. Sigurado, sa tingin ko lang eh. Dahil dito sa balita na ito, nangyari kay ano, ay sigurado, ha? ASAP sila kumuha ng NSO ngayon, ng birth certificate nila. Continue lang, ha?
And when we went on asking how come the financial statements did not reflect the assets or even the cash that built the assets, she said she doesn't know, and she has no idea on those financial statements.
Okay, so before we move to the company, I think what's surprising in all this is an elected official, right?
Correct.
So this is a woman who campaigned. Okay, I mean the COMELEC obviously cleared her, but they said they're not able to actually make judgments on identities, right? On citizenships. That's
Correct.
another issue. But this is a woman who campaigned. That's number one. And are we saying, Senator Sherwin, that this woman cannot present any neighbor who's seen her growing up, any classmate, any local friend? She has no history whatsoever of anything local, because the reasons are convenient. She was given birth by a midwife at home, homeschooled all her life. So no teacher, no classmates, no witnesses.
Yeah.
Parang in effect, nasa loob siya ng bahay hanggang naging mayor siya. Ganon ang kwento.
Ako na ang sasagot sa iyo, Ginang Karen. Si Alice Go ay Chinese siya. Galing siya China. Pumunta sa Pilipinas, okay? Itinanim ng pugo yan. Ayan ang tingin ko. Okay? Kasi nga wala mga history siya sa ano eh. Wala mga credential sa school. Okay? School bukol. Walang maliwanag na sagot sa pagkatao niya. Yun na, ang sagot ko dyan. Chinese yan.
On top of that, Karen, her
Pero under investigation pa mga kaibigan, ha? Nulit ko, 50-50 tayo. Chinese siya, pero ngayon binabawi ko na. Pinay siya. Pincheck siya, okay? Pincheck siya, okay? Okay, continue lang.
certificate is registered late. And it was only when she was 17 years old when her birth certificate was issued. So from the time of birth until 17 years old, she didn't have any birth certificate. So meaning she can't attend school, she can't get a passport, she can't move around. You know, in our country, you need your birth certificate to prove many things. So that's also another question mark. How come
Questionable.
how come so late? Even though it happens, but for a business person and her family is into business, typically your parents will get a birth certificate because you want to travel or when you get you want to enroll to school.
Pag mukhang, pag Chinese talagang questionable. Pero kung pure na Pinoy, kahit walang birth certificate, pinanganak sa bundok, yung mga ano, okay lang yan. Kasi alam naman natin na talagang Pinoy sila. Okay? mga ninuno nila, kapitbahay nila, lumaki sila sa kuan, kahit walang birth certificate yung iba dyan, pinanganak sa bahay. Kasi nung araw talaga, pinanganak sa bahay ang karamihan. Okay? Yung iba, late registration. Yung iba, hindi pinapasa galing sa city. Lista lang. Makalipas ng 30 years, bago ipasa doon sa NSO. Yung tatawag na late registration. Kaya yung iba nating kababayan ay walang birth certificate. Pero, compare naman na Pinoy sila. Okay? Yung iba. Okay, pero ito dito kay Alice Go na malabo talaga, malabo pa sa sikat ng araw ang kanyang pagkatao. Kaya talagang questionable. Pero be fair lang tayo. Tuloy lang ang pag-reaction dito kay Senador Sherwin Gatchalian. Continue.
That's
I'm
also another
curious, how
question.
does she travel, Senator? Because as a mayor, for sure,
Oo nga, no?
she has a passport.
She has a passport. Based on our information from the various government
Ayun.
agencies, she has a passport.
Anong passport niya?
But then again, we have to go back to the evidence.
Kaya lang ang passport medyo halimbawa kasi alam naman nung araw madali lang magkuha ng passport, pira-pira din pag may time, di ba? Alam niyan, ano mga kuha niyan. Kahit yung mga change name, okay? Yung mga Chinese may mga passport, Filipino passport kasi nga pira-pira ang labanan. Tunay lang na nangyayari. Ay, ang birth certificate, hindi ko lang sigurado kung pira-pira din yan ang labanan. Pero sa eleksyon, pira-pira yan ang laban. Okay? Pero pagkuha ka ng school diploma, pag wala kang bayad, ay hindi mo makukuha yan. Okay? Kailangan din yan may kapirahan at dapat nag-aral ka rin talaga. Ang mga credential na iba pa, ay, continue na nga. Medyo nalalayo na ako. Continue lang. Medyo naguguluhan pa rin ako. Okay, continue.
I've seen in various news agencies that they interviewed few of the residents in Banban, and they attested that they've seen her. And there are stories that they've seen her when she was a child. But then again, it's important to look at the evidence. These are anecdotes, and there's no way of verifying whether that kid is her or not. So, but what's important now is establishing her citizenship, establishing her the basic.
Kasi nga, kung ang proof, senador, ay halimbawa yung madali lang magbayad ng tao tanungin mo, halimbawa bayaran ng 5 milyon. Aminin, sabihin mo lang na ito ay kababata mula bata hanggang magtanda. Madali lang yun. Okay? Pero talagang dapat dito ay yung midwife o nagpaanak sa kanya, ay ganun din, nababayaran. Dapat yung nanay, okay, mahanap yung nanay ni Alice Go. Kung sino ba talaga. Dahil dyan, makikita yan mga kaibigan kung tunay nanay kasi sa DNA. Match. At saka yung mga kamag-anak ng nanay, na yung nanay ka talaga ay pure Filipino. Ganon. Malalaman yan na itong nanay nito ay may anak na Chinese. Kaya lang inilayo ng ama. Ganon. Nanganak ito sa Pilipinas nung araw, ganon yan. Sa nanay yan, sigurado. Malalaman ng katotohanan dito kay Alice Go. Kasi nga, itong si Alice Go mga kaibigan, sa ngayon ay wala daw, hindi mahagilap. Mukhang nagtago at umiiyak daw sa kanilang bahay. Ayaw lumabas kahit pumasok na yung mga media or dumating ng mga media dun sa Tarlac para interview nito. Dun sa munisipyo ng Banban ay ayaw magpakita. Marami tuloy ang kumakalat na baka daw ay tumakas na. Ganyan. Kasi nga ay boyfriend. Chinese ang boyfriend. Ibig sabihin malakas ang lukso na dugo niya sa pagka-Chinese. Kung talagang 50-50 siya. Kasi nga nagka-boyfriend ng Chinese di ba? Hananap niya Chinese. Pero kung Pilipino ito, nag-asawa agad ng Pinoy, possible na mahirapan na yung investigation ay kuwan. Kaya lang okay, continue lang
requirement to run for public office, and more importantly, what's her connection to the Pogo companies that were raided?
Ayun ang koneksyon. Ang koneksyon niyan, sigurado ko, partner talaga yan. Okay, yan partner in crime, okay? Partner in Pogo. Yan na yan. Diyan na tayo, okay? Pero itong pagkatao ni Alice Banban Mayor Go ay nanatiling palaisipan pa rin, okay? Okay, puputulin ko na mga kaibigan. Ako na yatang daming inalngal dito Dami ko sinabi. Gulong-gulo kay sino nga ba si Alice Go? Okay, hanggang dito na lang mga kaibigan. Panoorin nyo kay Karen interview ngayon. Trending na trending ngayon ha. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.